Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of English with Dari. Today we're talking about something simple but fun. Likes and dislikes.
Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss our English conversations.
So, let me start with an important question. What food do you like the most?
Oh, that's easy. I love pizza. It's probably my favorite food.
Pizza? Really? I feel like everyone on Earth likes pizza.
That's true. Pizza is just too good.
I like pizza too, but if I had to choose, I would pick rice with chicken. I could eat that almost every day.
That sounds good too, but I also love spicy food.
Wait, you like spicy food?
Of course, spicy food makes everything more exciting.
No way. I seriously can't handle spicy food. One bite, and my mouth feels like it's on fire.
Maybe you just need more practice.
Last time I tried spicy noodles, I drank like 3 glasses of water in 2 minutes.
That's actually funny.
All right, let's change the topic. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. It feels calm and relaxing.
Blue is a nice color. I personally like black. It just looks cool.
Yes, black clothes always look stylish.
But you know what color I really don't like?
Which one?
Bright yellow. It's just too loud for my eyes.
Really? I actually like yellow. It reminds me of sunshine.
See? Everyone has different tastes.
Exactly. And that's what makes conversations interesting.
Now, let's talk about activities. What do you like doing in your free time?
I like listening to music and watching movies. It helps me relax.
That sounds nice. I like playing football and sometimes going to the gym.
That's great. Exercise is really good for your health.
Yes, but I have to be honest. I hate waking up early to exercise.
I understand that. Waking up early is difficult.
If someone tells me to wake up at 6 a.m. to run, I immediately lose motivation.
Same here. And honestly, I don't like running long distances.
Really?
Yes, after 5 minutes, I start thinking, why am I doing this?
That's very relatable.
But everyone has different likes and dislikes, and that's perfectly okay.
And talking about these things is a great way to practice English conversations.
So today, try asking someone, what food do you like? What color do you like? What activities do you enjoy?
Simple questions, but very useful for practicing English.
Thanks for listening to English with Dari.
See you in the next episode.